Welcome to my messy house, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys. We are going to get this place clean because it really needed. This is the afternoon after work and everything is everywhere and everyone is everywhere. So we need to get this taco. We are going to start with the couch and get all the pillows all cleaned and fluffed. That's the first thing I always do before I get anything done. So I'm going to take you guys through it and show you guys how I clean the house exactly. As you can see me laughing here, guys, because my baby boy is with me. My kids are going to be in this video. I couldn't get rid of them to film this video, so this is real life. I don't know about you, but I always get cozy and comfortable to clean the house. I have my face masks on and my hair out, and I'm just cleaning. So this is the other side of my couch, and I'm going to go ahead and get the pillows here, Taco. And look at this kid who wants to help me fix the pillows. He got the all chop method down, guys. Raise them right. They'll be cleaning pillows for you. Now that it's all fresh and clean, we are going to move on the other side of the living room, which is my favorite part because it has my 4 pillows there. I love this section of the house. Let's bring in the table and I'm going to do a little roll slide for you guys. Love it. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the table. I already got my spray on my paper towel and I'm going to get the table clean and get it all fixed up for you guys. So I don't know about you all, but guys, I do not like doing dishes. I will do them because I have to, but I don't like doing them. My husband, on the other end, doesn't complain, so I usually leave that job to him. But I'm just doing it right now since I have to clean the house, and I'm just gonna clean it. But if it was a different day, I wouldn't touch those dishes. So guys, my daughter is helping me film, so I was telling her to make sure that everything is correct, and she was just making me laugh. So that's why you saw me laughing. But we are going to clean the table and get rid of any crumbs and any of those dirt off the countertop and get it all fresh and clean. You know, the Bible say, my people perish for lack of knowledge, and that is so true. I did not know this Bissell vacuum vacuums the ground, like bare floor. When I knew this, I took advantage of that. Usually I would just swipe here and just clean it with a dustpan and broom. But knowing that this vacuum does it, who needs to be changing tools? You're using one vacuum to do it all. Guys, you don't even know how this makes me feel. Having a clean house and a clean kitchen as a whole, just a dream. I just like looking at the view of seeing nothing else but everything being clean. That is just happiness for me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video and coming along cleaning this house with me. It wasn't a whole lot of dirt, but it was enough dirt for me to get this cleaned. Stay tuned for other videos. Do not forget to click on that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. Welcome to the family if you're new. If you're not new and you're oldie but a goodie, I appreciate you being here all this way. Click on that like button. Thank you, guys. See you soon. Bye, y'all.